Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I was having a problem with glasses inundating our kitchen countertop. You know how that goes. Everybody takes a glass, drinks out of it, puts it on the counter, then they come back later and they don't have any idea which glass is theirs. So then they grab another glass and it just keeps happening. These party wine glass markers have completely solved the problem. Now everyone just writes their name, initials, or puts a symbol on their glass and they can easily find their drink. Just look at these gorgeous, vibrant colors. You get 8 different markers. They write very well. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. But here's the best part. It doesn't wipe off. So you can mark your cups or wine glasses and you don't have to worry that your name is going to rub off or that you'll have marker on your hands. It really stays put. But when you're ready to take it off, all you have to do is take a damp cloth or run it under water and it comes right off. They can be used for so many things, but another thing I use it for is to mark my homemade milk. I love it. These party wine glass markers are truly amazing. They have beautiful, vibrant colors. They won't rub off on you. And I don't have to worry about my friend drinking my glass of wine or me drinking someone else's glass of wine by accident. They're awesome. I think you're gonna love them, but that's my point of view.